Welcome to Library Highlights with Mary. Happy Valentine's Day, and it's also Book Lovers Day. Have you ever chopped down a cherry tree? Well, I've been told that President George Washington did when he was a kid, and when his dad asked him if he did, George told the truth. His birthday is the 22nd of this month. Then there's President Lincoln. He loved books, and one of his favorite quotes was, "My best friend is a person who will give me a book I have not read." His birthday was the 12th. We have lots of books on our presidents. Here's just a few. You can go into our biography section, which is right behind me, and find all kinds. Or you can go over to the children's department, and there are books there too. Now remember, tomorrow, the 15th, is President's Day, and we will be closed. And remember, when we're closed, our book drops are closed. Tuesday, the 16th, is Shrove Tuesday, or is also known as Pancake Day. And every year in Liberal, Kansas, and in Olney, Buckinghamshire, England, they compete against each other in a pancake race. Wasn't that cool? Anyway, I would love to go and just eat all the pancakes. But since I'm not going to go to England anytime soon, or Kansas for that matter, I'll go to our website and type in Culturegrams on our research page. And there I can start exploring the world. You should try it sometime. It's lots of fun. And remember, in the 900s, we have lots of travel books. So the next time you come in, check that out too. Did you see my mini highlights last week? I told you about the launch pads that just came in. So watch for them because they should be ready to check out. Now, on Wednesday the 17th at 5:30, Lyndall, one of our reference librarians, is going to be hosting a program called Wellness Journey. Now, she does this on the third Wednesday of every month between 5:30 and 6:30. This month, she'll be talking about love and social connectedness. So call the library, click on the link we provided in our description of our segment so you can register. Evan from our teen department will be hosting a virtual event called Teen Research Workshop. It will be Thursday the 18th at 6 p.m. He's invited Hisham, our IT guy, to show you how to use Microsoft tools to edit your school essays and research papers. So join in and discover how helpful this program can be. This workshop is for ages 13 to 18, and you will need to sign up. We've got the link in our segment description. So click on it and sign up. The children's department is having a virtual Black History Month program on Saturday the 27th at 2 p.m. It's going to be a magic show with Tommy Terrific. You remember him from our summer reading programs, don't you? He is so fun. Anyway, tune in and enjoy. Now on the 27th, also, it's International Tongue Twister Day. Got a couple for you, I'll read. They're so much fun, I love them. Okay, the first one is, a big black bug bit a big black bear, making the big black bear bleed blood. How about that one? That was fun. Then there's this one. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, where's the peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked? I couldn't have done that without reading it, that's for sure. Okay, here's another one. How much wood could a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? It would chuck as much wood as woodchuck could if a woodchuck could chuck wood. Now here's one I learned as a kid. If I were in Arkansas, no, that's not how it starts out. as I was in Arkansas, I saw a saw that could outsaw any saw I ever saw. Now, if you go to Arkansas and see a saw that can outsaw the saw I saw, I'd like to see the saw you saw. Fun, huh? Do you guys have a favorite tongue twister? Well, that's about it for tonight. I want to make sure you remember Lyndall has a program, Wellness Journey, Wednesday the 17th at 5:30. Evan has Teen Research Workshop, Thursday the 18th at 6. And Children's Black History Month program, Saturday the 27th at 2. So don't forget, you can see what's going on at your library anytime by checking the event tab on our website. Oh, and I don't want to forget, Hoopla is offering bonus borrows for the month of February. So this would be a great time to check it out. So that's it. I'm Mary signing off. Hope to see you next time.